Ka Office District School Education Officer Bhoi District mentakas ngi ka arposan tarik yayong arjar arpolai kala Pynlong ya ka program district level science, mathematics and environment exhibition for children Halor ka Phang technology and toys ya kabala Pynlong ha Bhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Hagani kasngi kumapratli ki school ki banapo ka district kilawan bani shimbenta bat nakaliang ka office Dseo kala samru iki kusnam shakin nongjom hakaba ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo kala long ka nongjom bat ka Alpha Higher Secondary School Nongpo kalawan haka kerdan baar bat ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Bernihan kalawan haka kerdan balai bat kin nongjob hakani ka exhibition kin yoban mikmat na ka district siya ka state level. Hakanegas ngi lawan bansaki lang dakakong Paidalin L Nonglight District School Education Officer, Ubabu W. Radu Principal ka Bhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, kinong hikay, lambat ki kana school.
Good afternoon everyone. The title of the project is Automatic Zebra Crossing. So zebra crossing is a place on the road marked with black and white strips where cars have to stop so that people can walk across. But in India especially, the drivers are not careful with the driving and accidents do occur in zebra crossing as well. So it is very important that some innovation should be done. So the students of St. Paul has come up with the idea of automatic zebra crossing. This automatic zebra crossing is made with the idea of the escalators which are found in the big malls, which is a moving staircase that carries the people between the floors of a building or structure. It moves in a vertical direction. So another type of escalators are found on Delhi airports known as travel people across a horizontal plane over a short to medium distance. The travelators are built on the idea of moving belt. These are built using mesh metal belt or rubber walking surface over metal roller. Our zebra crossing is also made on the idea of moving belt. The materials which we have used to make our model is cardboard. Then we have plastic pipes which act as roller, motor, battery and switch. And we also had a chart paper which acts as a belt. So when the red light will be on, the barricade will automatically be raised, thereby preventing any flow of vehicles, so people can move across from one side of the road to another easily. And at that time, our automatic zebra crossing also will start working, and it will transport people smoothly and fast over a short to medium distance. Now, this type of zebra crossing can, if installed in our state, in our country, it can help many accidents to be checked or controlled. And this type of zebra crossing should also be included in the smart city project of India, such as Guwahati, Shillong, Ahmedabad, Surat, and so on. And I also personally feel that this type of zebra crossing should also be implemented in our state, even in our area, so that a lot of accidents can be checked or controlled. Thank you.
Today we have the Bhoi District School Science Exhibition held at Bhoi Presbyterian Nongpo. There are 8 schools participate in this exhibition. The ideas, the models, and everything is very good. We have got the new ideas that as the first prize from St. Paul they have bring. It is very good ideas, and many other schools also they have their own ideas. So today we have St. Paul's, the winner. We have given them prize money and also the certificate. Then the prize to the school who are participating in this competition, and we wish all the schools and invited all schools to participate in the next exhibition and to encourage the students to take part in any exhibition or any extracurricular activities held in the district. So thank you.